Have you ever held a shiny coin or a crisp dollar bill and wondered where it all goes? One minute you're dreaming of games and treats, the next, poof, your money's vanished. What if you could unlock the secret to making your money last and work for you? That secret is called a budget, a magical map that shows you how to reach your money goals. Ready to become a money ninja and master your own money adventure? Grab your explorer's hat. Our quest begins now. So what's a budget? It's a word we hear a lot, but what does it really mean, especially for you? Are you picturing complicated charts and numbers that seem boring? Well, think again. A budget is actually your secret weapon to making the most of your money and achieving your dreams, no matter how big or small. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make smart choices. Imagine your piggy bank with a brain, a super smart piggy bank that knows exactly what you want and helps you get it. That's what a budget is like. It's like giving your money a set of instructions so it knows where to go and what to do. It's about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. A budget is your plan for every dollar you get. It's a roadmap for your money, showing you exactly where it's going to go. Think of it as a financial adventure where you're the explorer and your budget is the map guiding you to treasure. It helps you keep track of your income, which is all the money you receive, and your expenses, which is all the money you spend. It's like building with Lego. You need a plan to make something awesome, a magnificent castle, a speedy race car, or a towering skyscraper. Without a plan, your Lego creation might not turn out the way you imagined. Not just a wobbly blob. The same goes for your money. Without a budget, your spending can become a wobbly blob, unstable and unpredictable. A budget helps you decide how much to save, so you can reach your savings goals, whether it's a new toy, a special trip, or something even bigger. And how much to spend, so you can enjoy the things you love without running out of money. So you get the most fun from your money. It's about making smart choices that bring you joy and help you achieve your goals. For example, if you have $5 at the candy store and you're surrounded by tempting treats, a budget helps you plan for gummy bears, deciding how many you can buy without spending all your money at once. A chocolate bar, carefully considering if it fits within your sweet treat budget. And a lollipop, making sure you still have enough money left for other things you might want or need later, without overspending. It's about making conscious decisions and avoiding impulse buys that you might regret later. Being the boss of your money, taking control and making informed decisions about how you use it, means knowing what comes in and what goes out. It's about tracking your income and expenses, so you have a clear picture of your financial situation. With a budget, you can save for what you need, like school supplies, new clothes, or even a contribution to a family gift. Enjoy what you want, like your favorite video game, a fun day at the park, or a delicious ice cream cone. And even plan for big dreams. Maybe you're saving up for a new bicycle, a trip to Disneyland, or even college someday. Now let's find out where your money comes from in the first place. Understanding your income sources is the first step to creating a successful budget. To make a money plan, you need income, the money that comes in. For kids, income often means birthday money, holiday gifts, or even finding $1 on the sidewalk. Another big source is allowance money you earn for chores like setting the table or feeding the pet. Income is the starting point for your budget. You can't plan what to do with your money until you know how much you have. Add up all your income gifts, allowance, prizes, so you know what you're working with. Think of it as counting your Lego bricks before you start building. Once you know your total, you're ready to plan what to do next. Want to boost your income? Get creative. Try a lemonade stand, bake sale, or sell old toys with your parents' help. Each sale adds to your money stash. Use your talents, wash cars, pet sit, or help with yard work for neighbors. Every dollar you earn gives you more power to reach your goals. Keep track of all your income streams in a notebook. Birthday money, allowance, lemonade stand earnings. The more you earn, the more you can do. Being a money ninja means spotting new ways to grow your money. Now let's see where your money goes. Expenses. Now let's talk about expenses. The money you spend. Expenses are like buckets of water you take out of your money lake. Every time you buy something, that's an expense. Whether it's a toy, snack, or movie ticket, you're trading money for something you want or need. Expenses can be small, like a pack of gum, or big, like a new video game. Even little expenses add up fast, so it's important to keep track. Make a list: ice cream cone, comic book, sticker pack. See where your money goes? Tracking expenses is a key money ninja skill. When you know where your money goes, you can make smarter choices. Next, let's learn the difference between needs and wants. Not all expenses are equal. Some things are essential for survival and well-being, while others simply add a little extra joy to our lives. Understanding the difference between these expenses is a crucial first step in managing your money wisely. It's about recognizing what you truly need versus what you simply desire. Some are needs, those things we can't live without, and some are wants, the extras that make life more enjoyable. Needs are things you must have to live and be healthy, the fundamental requirements that keep us going day after day. These are the non-negotiable items that form the foundation of our lives. Like food, providing the energy and nutrients our bodies require to function properly. A balanced diet is a cornerstone of good health. Clothes, protecting us from the elements and allowing us to participate comfortably in different activities. Having appropriate attire is essential for both comfort and social acceptance. And school supplies, providing the tools necessary for learning and academic success. Education is a vital need that opens doors to future opportunities. Wants are things that make life more fun, adding excitement and enjoyment to our daily routines. They are the things we desire but can technically live without. Like toys, providing entertainment and sparking imagination. Toys can be a great source of joy and creativity for children. Games, offering opportunities for social interaction and mental stimulation. Whether it's a board game with family or a video game with friends, games can be a fun way to connect and unwind. Or treats, satisfying our sweet cravings and providing a temporary burst of happiness. While treats can be enjoyable in moderation, they are not essential for our well-being. Most of what kids buy are wants, and that's okay. It's natural to desire things that bring us pleasure and excitement. The trick is to make sure you cover your needs first. Before indulging in wants, it's important to ensure that all your essential requirements are met. Imagine you have $10. This is your total budget for the moment, and you need to decide how to allocate it wisely. You need a notebook for school, $3, a crucial tool for taking notes and completing assignments. Without it, learning becomes much more difficult. And want a toy car, $8. This toy car is appealing and would be fun to play with, but it's not essential for your education or well-being. If you buy the toy first, giving in to your immediate desire, you won't have enough for the notebook. You'll be left without a crucial tool for school, potentially hindering your learning. A money ninja buys the need first. They understand the importance of prioritizing essential items before indulging in wants. Prioritizing needs over wants ensures that you have the resources to take care of what truly matters. Helps you make smart spending choices, leading to greater financial stability and peace of mind. When you make your budget, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? This simple question can be a powerful tool in guiding your spending decisions. This simple question helps you take care of the important stuff, ensuring that your essential needs are always met. And plan for fun things too. It's about finding a balance between responsibility and enjoyment, allowing you to live a fulfilling life without overspending. That's a true money superpower. Mastering the art of distinguishing between needs and wants is a valuable skill that will benefit you throughout your life. All right, young entrepreneurs, are you ready for a challenge that will put your budgeting skills to the test? Here's the scenario. You have exactly $20, not a penny more, not a penny less, to plan an awesome party for yourself and 3 of your closest friends. That's 4 people in total, and every single detail, from the snacks to the entertainment, needs to fit within that $20 limit. This isn't just about throwing a party, it's about learning how to make smart financial decisions and prioritize what's truly important. The first step is to create a detailed list of all the expenses you anticipate. Think about the essentials for any good party: a delicious cake to celebrate, some colorful balloons to set a festive mood, refreshing juice boxes to quench everyone's thirst, and of course, a fun game or activity to keep everyone entertained and engaged. Remember, every item on this list will impact your budget, so choose wisely. Let's start assigning some prices. A pre-made birthday cake from the bakery might cost around $10. A bunch of colorful balloons to decorate the party area could set you back about $3. Individual juice boxes for everyone could add up to around $4. And a brand new board game to play together might cost approximately $5. Now comes the moment of truth. It's time to add up all those expenses. $10 for the cake, plus $3 for the balloons, plus $4 for the juice boxes, plus $5 for the game. When you add it all together, the grand total comes to $22. Uh-oh, that's not good news. You've gone $2 over your initial budget. Don't panic. This is where your problem-solving skills come into play. What adjustments can you make to bring your spending back in line with your $20 limit? One option is to consider a less expensive alternative for the cake. Instead of buying a pre-made cake, you could purchase a cake mix for around $4 and bake it yourself. Another possibility is to eliminate the balloons altogether. While they add to the festive atmosphere, they aren't essential for a fun party. Take a close look at your list and see where you can make cuts or substitutions. Keep adjusting your plan until your total expenses fall below $20. Congratulations! You've successfully created a party plan that not only fits within your budget, but might even leave you with a little extra spending money. This exercise demonstrates real-life budgeting in action, teaching you valuable skills that you can apply to all sorts of financial situations. It's not always easy to stay within a budget. Sometimes you have to make tough choices and sacrifices, but that's how you develop the discipline and resourcefulness of a true money ninja. Planning, adding, adjusting, and making smart decisions, these are the essential tools in your budgeting arsenal. You faced the challenge head-on, made the necessary adjustments, and emerged victorious. You did it! Budgeting isn't just about math, it's your superpower! With a budget, you control your money instead of letting it control you. You can save for big dreams, avoid stress, and enjoy what you buy. Watching your savings grow feels amazing. It's your superpower getting stronger. A budget is your shield against money worries. The habits you build now will help you reach even bigger goals as you grow up. You're training to be a financial superhero, starting with your piggy bank. Remember, you're in control of your money destiny. Congratulations! You've learned the secrets of budgeting, income, and expenses. You know how to spot needs versus wants and make smart choices. You don't have to wait. Start being a money ninja today. Grab a notebook, track your income and expenses, and make your first budget. It's okay if you make mistakes. Every superhero practices to get better. Each time you plan your money, you build strong habits for your future. You have the power to be the boss of your money and reach your goals. The adventure is just beginning. Go out there and be a money master.